In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a drill bit into your DeWALT impact driver. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the existing driver bit. So in order to do that, you pull the collar forwards, that releases the bit, you can now place that to one side. So one thing you might notice if you have a selection of drill bits at home is that they all have a slightly different shank on the end. So we've got a round shank bit, we've got this hex shank bit with a notch out, and then we've also got this sort of triangular shanked masonry bit. So all your drill bits have a slightly different shank on the end. Now there are only two ways you can connect your drill bits to your DeWALT impact driver. I'll show you the first way and then I'll show you the second. So these can be connected directly. Simply pull the collar forward, the hex shank locates and the collar locks into this little groove here. So with this type of bit you can locate them directly into your impact driver. But if you don't have these bits or you've got a load of old drill bits lying around, don't worry, you can still connect them to your impact driver, but what you'll need is a chuck adapter. So we picked one of these chuck adapters up, and as you can see it functions like a regular chuck, and it's got a hex shank on the end, so it locates into the impact driver, and then you can insert any regular drill bit into your DeWALT impact driver. You can get all those old bits used up in your impact driver and it'll act just like a cordless drill. So if you found any of these products helpful, we'll attach a link in the description, and if you purchase through the link, it just helps us to keep delivering more helpful DIY tips. Thanks for watching.